Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle, and today we're going to be taking a look at the new KetchBeauty IPL. This is the V4.1, and today we're going to do an unboxing. We're going to take a look at it, and we're going to go over some things about it and how to use it. And then later on in the video, if you stay that long, I will show you how to use it. Okay, so here's the box from the new KetchBeauty. So now this is rated at 700,000 pulses. You can see here that it's the V4.1. And then on the sides, it talks about function introduction. So it's the pulsed light. It's got a high-grade quartz lamp, 1 to 5 levels, which is typical to my other one. 700,000 pulses, which means every time you squeeze, it's going to pulse, emit a light, and that's how many times it'll do it. Oversized treatment area, which means when you are putting it on your skin, the area that it's actually going to cover is going to be more. And this is rated for full body hair removal, so which means you can use it on any part of your body. But on the back of the box, it kind of goes over some more product specifications, and it tells you the power, the input, the voltage, dimensions, and gives you some basic information about the unit itself. So let's take a look. Okay, so now that we got the plastic off, looks like it just slides off like this. So now inside, we have the wall unit, 2 different light adapters, and then you have the unit itself. Okay, underneath comes with a pair of sunglasses to protect your eyes from the bright lights. It comes with a razor. So one of the things with doing an IPL or even laser treatment is you want to shave ahead of time. You don't want to do waxing. You don't want to do plucking. You want to make sure that you use a razor just to try to get the hair as close to the skin as possible while leaving the follicle intact. So with the wall adapter, this also has a release here and a locking mechanism. So you can unlock and remove this piece here, just like that. And for different countries, you have the different adapters. I think that's a fantastic idea. And also at the very bottom, you also have an instruction manual. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, you don't get to see the review. Just kidding. Okay, so now that we've done the unboxing, this is what you're gonna be pressing. This will allow this light to emit, and it's gonna go onto your skin. So we're gonna pull up my sleeve, and it's going to go on your skin just like this, okay? And you're going to be pressing this button, and it's going to create the light, which is going to go on to your skin like this. This here is the back plug, where obviously you're going to bring power to this. This here is the cooling fan, and then you have your power button, and then on the front here you have your 5 lights with an auto. Okay, so once when you're plugged in, the light is going to flash, and what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold the button for 3 seconds. You can hear it kick on. That's the cooling fan. On the other side here, you're going to have your green light. And to raise the strength of it, what you're going to do is you're going to press the power button in the back here. So as you can see, it's going to go to level 2, 3, 4, 5, and then auto, and back down, all the way down to back down to 1. So that's how that works. The fan stays on at all times to keep the light cool, because this does get hot after using it for a certain period of time. So now let's take a look at how it works. So what you do is you're gonna place it onto your skin. You're gonna press the little button here, and it's gonna flash. So what you're gonna do prior to using this is you're gonna shave the area that you actually want to use it on. So for instance, if you wanna use it on your arm, if you wanna use it on your face, if you wanna use it on your armpits, your bikini area, make sure you shave the area first. Like I showed in the kit does come with a razor, so if you need to, you can always use that. So what you're gonna do is, even though it's shaved, when you use this unit as so, you can still smell the hair burning, because there are still some little hair pieces that are there, maybe some blonde hairs that you missed, the follicle is cooking, whatever it is, you can smell some of the hair burning, which is a bizarre smell. Okay, so now to power it off, once when you're done using it in the area, you're going to press and hold the button, and it kicks off. You unplug, and there you go. So now some things to touch up on about using an IPL. You don't want to go over the same area more than once. You can make separate passes over it, but you do not want to hold it into an area and keep pressing and pressing and pressing. What that can do is that can damage your skin pigment and kind of give like a sunburn, and so you don't really want to do that. But what you can do is you can make a pass up your arm, and when you're done, you can start from the beginning again, make a second pass and a third pass if needed, but you do not want to hold it in the same area and use it multiple times. And that goes for the same thing as armpit if you're doing your face, so on and so forth. So these here, same with the laser units, which is this here. This uses a laser. This uses a light. This is you're gonna associate more pain with this. This goes down more concentrated and produces more heat to the follicle. So if pain is not a thing for you, then you're gonna want to use an IPL. So what I found with the IPLs, or an intense pulsed light, you're gonna find that they are painless, and you can start off at level 1, see how it feels, go over the area. If you feel any pain or intensity or heat, that's okay. What you're going to do is you're going to go up to the next level, or to the level that you can tolerate. If you have a high pain threshold, then go all the way up to level 5 and zap away. Now, some of the things that laser or IPLs are not good for are for darker skin, blonde hairs, or for white hairs. It will not be as effective and it won't work as well. So that's just something you want to keep in mind when using one of these devices. Now, IPLs are safe to use anywhere on your body except around your eyes, so you don't want to do eyebrows. You can definitely do anywhere on the face. You can do your armpits, bikini area, legs, anything like that. The area that this covers is a much larger area than, say, that of the laser. So you can cover more area more effectively. Also, one thing that I did notice, that the higher the setting that you put it, it's going to slow down the amount of pulse or the light that comes out. So every time if you hold and click, it'll flash really fast, but then if you set it to a higher intensity, it will be a slower pulse, and there'll be more time in between when using it because it has to cool down and reset. So also, you do not want to use it on any open wounds you have, sunburns, anything like that. When it comes time to cleaning the unit, what you're going to do is this area here, what you're going to do is you're going to take an alcohol wipe or rubbing alcohol, and you just kind of wipe the area clean. You're going to see that the lens here will kind of get like a film on it, which is normal because it's the oils and things from your skin. So just make sure to wipe that off every once in a while. It shouldn't affect how well the unit works, but you definitely want to try to keep it clean to get the best results. All right, everyone, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, please make sure you like and subscribe. That will help me out greatly. If you're interested in trying out the IPL, if you are interested in checking out from KetchBeauty, I will leave a link in the description below so you can check out their website, see other products that they do offer. And I want to thank KetchBeauty for sending me this unit to review. So from my experience, these things do work. This is my second unit that I have now tried. The other one I tried was a few years old, so the technology was older, and it worked. It just was I had slower results from my other IPL versus the laser. And I'm hoping after using this for a few weeks, I will see some pretty significant results. So I look forward to doing a full review on this later on, when I have used it for a while. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.